Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I'm the Director of Education at Instructing.com, and today I want to talk to you about how to earn the PMI-ACP, the Agile Certified Practitioner. Before we get into the good stuff, I want to encourage you to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and drop a like, which is a thumbs up, but also subscribe to the channel where I can share information like this for you. If you have comments or questions or suggestions for other topics related to project management that you'd like me to share, add that below so I can create videos specifically for you. Not that other guy, but you. All right, so let's talk about the PMI-ACP. The PMI-ACP is a PMI exam that is centered on agile practices. So you'll have to know information about Scrum, XP, Lean, and other flavors of Agile. This exam is 120 questions. You can take it online at home or in your office, or you can go to a proctored exam center like Prometric. The cost of the exam, if you're a PMI member, is $435. If you are not a member, it's $495. Now, it will cost you $129 plus a $10 exam application fee to join PMI, so basically $139. So you can save a little bit by joining PMI, and I think it's worth it. There are a lot of benefits that you get. Now, the qualifications for the ACP, not everyone can take the ACP exam. Check out on PMI.org the PMI-ACP handbook, which has all of this information that I'm sharing with you. But there are two ways that you can work towards the ACP. The first one is with a high school diploma or better, and you have to have 2,000 hours working on project teams within the last 5 years. Or if you are currently a PMP or a PGMP, that requirement is waived. Or if you have a bachelor's degree or better, that requirement is waived. Now, all candidates with a degree, without the PMP, or with it, you have to have 1,500 hours experience in agile methodologies within the last 3 years. And you'll need 21 contact hours of agile project management education, something that I offer with my PMI-ACP exam prep on Instructing.com. So I encourage you to hop over there and check out that course and see if it's right for you. Now, the exam process, like all PMI exams, you'll apply for this at PMI.org. Once you start the application, you have 90 days to complete your app online. If you are audited, where PMI will need some verification of your experience in Agile and project management and your education, you have 90 days to complete that audit. Once you're approved to go and pass your exam, there is a 1-year window from that approval date to when your exam approval, your exam authorization expires. So don't wait a whole year. I've met people that have paid the fee, been approved, but they were so afraid of the exam, they waited past a year and you have to start the process over. Don't let that be you. Then, once you pass the exam, and you will pass the exam, you have to earn 30 PDUs within a 3-year cycle. Now, if you have multiple PMI credentials, such as the PMP and the ACP, there is some overlap between the two, so you can support multiple credentials at once. Now, the PMI-ACP exams, there are 7 different domains you have to be knowledgeable in to pass the exam. The first one are Agile Principles and Mindset, and this is worth 16%. Value-Driven Delivery, 20% of your exam. Stakeholder Engagement is 17%. Team Performance is 16%. Adaptive Planning is worth 12%. Problem Detection and Resolution is 10%. And then we have Continuous Improvement. That's our product, our process, and people, and that's worth 9% of your exam. So that's a quick, big picture, direct message on how to earn the PMI-ACP. So I encourage you to hop out to PMI.org and download the ACP handbook, which will walk you through everything that I've explained here. And I encourage you to hop over to my site, which is instructing.com, and check out my ACP exam prep seminar, which will give you all of your contact hours needed to apply and pass the exam. Thousands of other people have completed that course, and if they can do it, you can do it too. I'll see you in future videos. Keep moving forward.